By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how I started a side hustle in 24 hours, and most importantly, how you can do it as well with zero money, just AI tools and your laptop. Hi, I'm Toby, and today I'm pulling back the curtain on the 24-hour AI challenge I gave myself. So let's get into it. Before I started, I gave myself 3 rules. Rule number 1, I can only use free or low-cost AI tools. Because the truth is, when you want to start a side hustle, the reason you're starting a side hustle is because you don't have enough in the first place. And so if starting the side hustle is costing a lot, for some people it's always unattainable. I know that for me, I've been in places, in situations where even to start a business with $2 or $5, I couldn't afford it. So I had to start this business, this side hustle, with $0. And the reason I did this experiment was because of people who would find themselves in the situation that I found myself before. Rule number 2, the side hustle has to be something that women with no technical background can do and can repeat. If you don't have a technical background, you're not a computer guru, you do not have AI experience and all of that, it had to be something that is easy to do, something that you don't need tutorials for, something that is very attainable. And rule number 3 is it had to make real money. Now, I know for a lot of people, you've watched a lot of videos about side hustles, but it hasn't made any money for you, or at least it has to be set up to make real money. And within 24 hours, that is what I created. So if you're that person and you've been watching videos on how to make money, how to make side hustles, and everything just seems a little too complicated for you, this video is for you. So I decided I was going to create and launch a digital product. And if you're hearing about digital products for the first time, just stay with me or watch some of my previous videos. It's going to show you what digital products are. Now, specifically, what I wanted to create was a workbook for women who wanted to start online business, right? And they don't know where to begin. So I decided that this is what I wanted to create. Now, here's the thing. Before AI, creating something like this would have taken me a long time. And I have videos from last year, a year before that, about how to create all these digital products using Canva. And that would have taken me at least a week minimum. But now it's taking less than an hour with the research, the design, the sales page. Listen, every single thing took me less than 2 hours. And I'm going to show you how that happened. All right. Now, this is the process of how I did it. Step 1, the idea and the outline. So if you're someone who wants to take this challenge and create something sellable within 24 hours, your first step will be the idea and the outline, right? I went to ChatGPT and I typed in a simple prompt, and here's the prompt. And don't worry, I'm going to be pinning all the prompts I use in this video. I'm going to be pinning it to the comment section. I said, I help women 30 and up start online businesses from home. Create a 5-page workbook outline with actionable prompts that help someone go from idea to their first offer. And that was what I put in ChatGPT. And in under 2 minutes, I had a complete outline of what the workbook needs to look like. And all I did was edit it to match my brand voice. And that's it. 15 minutes and done. Now, the reason I use this prompt is because of people, like I said, who are not technical, right? Remember that in my previous video, I taught you how to create prompts. So if you want these prompts to even be heavier, right, to produce even better results, go to the previous video about prompt engineering. I'm going to be linking it somewhere at the top here, and learn how to do it. All right. So I had a complete outline after that prompt, and like I said, all I did was edit it to match my brand voice, and that was done in 15 minutes. Now, step 2 is the content. I used Claude AI. Remember I told you that Claude AI is hands down the best for writing. So I used Claude AI to write the actual workbook pages. I gave it the outline ChatGPT gave me. I took it into Claude. I gave it my brand tone, and my brand tone is usually luxury, warm, direct. And I told it exactly what I needed. One prompt per page. Now, the writing came back really strong. I will not even lie to you. And did I tweak it? Of course I did. Did I rewrite the whole thing? Absolutely not. And so that is one of the reasons why I love AI, right? You would not need to write the entire thing, but you would need to tweak it. All right. Now, step 3, which is the design. I opened Canva, the free version of Canva, of course. Everyone can sign up for the free version of Canva. Now, I found an elegant templates, hundreds of thousands of templates on Canva, right? I found the template, I dropped in my content, I added my brand colors and my logos. It looked so professional, super professional, like something you pay $47 or $50 for on a website, right? And it looked amazing. I'm going to be putting the image here. Now, step 4 will be the sales page. For me, I use beacons to sell everything I want to sell. I use ChatGPT again to write my sales copy. All right. Now, I now took it back to Claude to refine it. Now, Claude already knows the workbook name. It already knows who it's for. It already knows the transformation promises that this workbook gives. And it gave me a full sales page, right? And I posted it. I posted it on Beacons, which takes about 20 minutes to set up. Even if you've never used it, super easy. Now, step 5, the launch post. Now, I went back to Claude and Claude helped me generate caption for the launch post. I posted it on Instagram. I posted it on my YouTube post and done. The total time that this took me was, I think, less than 3 hours or maybe 3 hours of actual work, right? And I didn't just sit down and do it in the entire 3 hours because, like most of you know, I'm a mom. I have 3 kids. So it was spread over 24 hours or maybe over 12 hours because, of course, I had to go to bed. Now, let me be honest with you because I'm not here to sell you fantasy. Within 24 hours, I had made, I think, 2 sales. That product was selling at $10. And within 24 hours, I had made 3 sales, $30. And a lot of people had signed up for my emails. A lot of people had downloaded my lead magnet that was already on my beacons. And that was super amazing for me. Was I a millionaire overnight? Absolutely not. I was not. But here's what happened instead. I had a real sellable product live on the internet, making money while I slept. And even though that money that it made within 24 hours was not life-changing money, it was prospect. I always say that if your product has a potential, if a product makes $1, it has a potential of making 1,000, 100,000, and 1,000,000 as long as you continue to fine-tune it. Right? Now, the bigger lesson here to learn is that the barrier is gone. The self-doubt is gone, right? And AI removed all of that. So if you're still doubting AI, I need you to drop that thing right now. The only thing standing between you and your first digital product is the decision to start. Now, I want you to go ahead into the weekend and make up your mind to start something for yourself. Make up your mind to create something by yourself. And if you're serious about building an empire, not just dreaming about it, make sure you're subscribed. And also join the Empire Academy. In July, we're going to be starting a 30-day AI challenge. And this is going to be massive, all right? In the 30-day AI challenge, we're going to be learning AI skills and all of that for 30 days in July, and it's going to supercharge you guys. So we're going all AI skills. So join us in that academy. It's also going to be linked in the description. Remember that every skill you learn is a brick to building an empire. And until I see you the next one, I hope you have an amazing day. My name is Stobridge.